Minista wa wonjoria Peter Munya augite Kenya ni ikaniriirie ngirimiti itiganite cia wonjoria na mabururi matiganite niguo gwitikiria mabururi macio kurehe indo guku bururi-ini na Kenya kwenda indo cia nja wa bururi.
We cannot talk about expecting to export to other countries and we don't expect those countries to export to Kenya. So that's where the point of departure. First of all, what we need to look at, and we are looking at it, is where are our strengths, so that we build on our strengths. Where we have a comparative advantage in relation to other countries, because you can't bar other countries from exporting to Kenya.
Gukiri uguo Munya augite Kenya ndingigira indo iria njikanirire ngirimiti kurehwo guku bururi-ini indi no itigireire indo icio ni ikinyaniire ikiro na ni njitikiriku guku bururi-ini.
We are looking at the origin of those goods. There are rules of origin. You know, if the goods come from the East African market and they come to Kenya, obviously that's this is a domestic market. We can't prevent them from coming. But are they meeting our standards that are established in East Africa? Are they being dumped from other markets? We are looking at that and taking action.
Uhoro uyu arikuwa grashube iroda-ini iria arimi ya matumbi mari nacio. Arimi aingi makoretwo magiteta guthukirio thoko ni matumbi maria marauma nja wa bururi amu marendio na thogora wa thi na uguo arimi makahinyiririka. Twarimi ya ngukutu ona endia a thamaki makoretwo magitara hathara ni undu wa kuingiha gwa thamaki iria irendio ni raia acine guku bururi-ini na thogora wa thi. Oho Munya augite thirikari ni ikuguithia thogora wa thitima muno makiri iganda-ini niguo gutigirira iganda ni irahota guthie na mbere na wira.
Industries are driven by power, and if power is expensive, then what happens is that it constrains production, because what you are producing becomes expensive in the market.
Girifotera Inoro TV ritorekwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.